You have an idea, you have assets, you have zero time, and traditional editors either force you to script everything first or trap you in boring templates that all look the same. That's the problem. CapCut AI Video Maker 2.0 is the solution. First, this is the web version. No install, no heavy software. Just open CapCut online video editor in your browser. Log in, go to AI Video Maker, and you land inside the infinite canvas. Everything happens right here in the browser, so you can try it instantly online. Let's dive in. This is not one-click templates anymore. It's a conversational AI video agent built around a massive, infinite canvas. Think of a huge digital whiteboard where you drop text, images, videos, links, anything. The AI turns everything into visual cards. You move them, expand them, remix them, regenerate them. No rigid timelines, no locked storyboard flow. Let me show you a real example I generated myself. I wanted a short educational video about how black holes bend light. I pasted a short paragraph, added 2 reference images, and told the agent to create 3 different visual styles. 1 cinematic realistic, 1 stylized 3D, 1 minimal infographic. Step 1. The agent reads the content and builds structure. You see scenes appear as cards on the canvas. Step 2. It generates visuals and voiceover variations for each version. Step 3. I ask for shorter pacing and stronger visual contrast across all versions in one instruction. Batch edit done instantly. Now I have multiple complete videos generated from the same idea. I can play them side by side, compare storytelling, visuals, pacing, everything. This is where it gets powerful. Instead of committing to one direction, you create variations in parallel. Next, export. I choose the cinematic version for YouTube horizontal, the infographic version for vertical short form, and export both. Same idea, different formats, ready for different platforms.
Black holes, silent architects of distortion, bend the universe. Light from distant stars curves, creating arcs and Einstein rings. The black hole, invisible, reshapes brilliance. This distortion is gravity writing equations in light, showing light obeys space, bowing deeply around the unknown.
Let's do another quick example. I upload 1 product photo and tell the agent to generate 3 marketing concepts. Clean luxury style, fast energetic promo, playful animated version. Again, it builds separate storyboards, separate visuals, separate edits. I compare them, tweak 1 scene across all versions in batch, then export the best performer. This workflow changes everything. You are not editing one timeline anymore. You are generating, comparing, and selecting. And you still have full control. Any card can be manually edited, any scene regenerated, any voice changed, any sequence restructured. You can refine a single shot or apply global changes across every version at once. Compared to the old system where you followed fixed templates and edited 1 draft manually, this feels completely different. Multimodal input, dynamic storyboards, multiple versions at once, side-by-side comparison, batch edits, flexible export. If you want to try it yourself, open the CapCut online video editor and test the AI Video Maker Infinite Canvas directly in your browser. The link is in the description and there is limited free access available right now. Whether you are an beginner editor or a pro editor, you can use CapCut AI Video Maker to create the videos you want. Try it, experiment with batch creation, compare your versions, export what works best. Tell me in the comments what you would create with it. And subscribe if you want more deep dives into the tools changing how videos are made.